Today in this video, I'm going to build a very interesting and practical project, an auto on-off streetlight circuit using a mini solar panel. This is a smart circuit that turns the light on automatically at night and off during the day. So make sure you watch this video until the end, because you're going to love how simple yet powerful this project is. The first electronic component I'll use is a BC547 transistor. I'll carefully bend its emitter and collector pins outward and trim the base pin slightly shorter to make soldering easier. After that, I'll apply a little solder on all 3 pins to prepare them for strong connections. This transistor will act as the switching brain of our circuit. Next, I'll take a 3-volt LED. This will act as our light source, representing a street light in this demo. I'll solder its negative pin directly to the collector pin of the transistor, making sure the connection is clean. To avoid clutter, I'll trim the extra length of the LED's pin. Now it's time for a 1 kilo-ohm resistor. This resistor will help limit the base current and protect the transistor. I'll solder one end of the resistor to the base pin of the transistor. Moving ahead, I'll use a 1N4007 diode, which will serve as a blocking diode. This prevents the battery from discharging back into the solar panel when there's no sunlight. I'll solder the positive pin of the diode to the emitter pin of the transistor and the negative pin of the diode to the resistor that we just connected to the base. Again, I'll trim away the extra pins to keep everything neat. Now comes the key component, a mini solar panel. This will act as a light sensor, detecting when it's day or night. I'll solder the negative wire of the solar panel to the negative pin of the diode and the positive wire directly to the positive pin of the LED. With this, the solar panel is ready to send signals to the transistor. Finally, it's time to bring in the power supply. I'll connect a 3.7-volt battery to power up the circuit. The positive wire of the battery will go to the positive pin of the LED, while the negative wire connects to the emitter pin of the transistor. Now our auto on-off streetlight circuit is ready. Let's test it. When I connect the battery, the LED glows brightly because the solar panel is not receiving much light. But the magic happens when I shine a torch on the solar panel. The LED turns off immediately. This is exactly how a real streetlight works. It stays off during the day and switches on automatically at night. This simple circuit is not only fun to build, but also teaches an important concept of automatic lighting systems. You can use it for garden lights, small street lights, home decoration, or DIY solar-powered projects. With just a few components, a transistor, diode, resistor, LED, and a solar panel, you can create a smart, energy-saving light system. So, if you want to learn how automatic lights around your streets and homes work, this is the perfect project to start with. It's simple, practical, and really useful in the real world.